Stop! Did you know you can buy a house in Italy for just €1? Yeah, you heard that right. This changes everything. Today, I'm showing you how you can own a dream Italian home for less than a cup of coffee. It's helping thousands of people turn their fantasies into reality. And you could be next. Here are the key things you need to know about these €1 homes. First, the properties are still available, especially in beautiful regions like Sicily. No restrictions for foreigners, just a simple background check. But there's a catch. Buyers are required to renovate the property within a specified time frame. Second, the cost of renovation is on you. This isn't a free ride, but it's a small price to pay for living in a charming Italian village. And speaking of living, some towns require you to move in after renovations. So pack your bags. Still not convinced? Let's look at some success stories. Sarah and Tom from Canada bought a €1 home in Gangi. They documented their renovation journey on social media and became local heroes. Then there's Emma from the UK, a retired teacher who moved to Salemi. She found the renovation tough but totally worth it, and now she's loving her new life. And Marco from Brazil, an architect, turned his €1 home in Caltagirone into a family vacation spot and a lesson in hard work for his kids. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Mondosol.com and start your Italian adventure today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing opportunities. Until next time, live your dreams. So, you've heard the buzz about the €1 houses in Italy, right? It's been all over the news and social media. The idea of owning a piece of Italian history for just a single euro sounds almost too good to be true. But guess what? It's real. And it's an incredible opportunity for those willing to take the plunge. And you're ready to dive in? Fantastic. This could be the adventure of a lifetime. Imagine owning a charming house in a picturesque Italian village, surrounded by stunning landscapes and rich culture. But before you pack your bags, let's break down the process step by step. Great. Let's walk through the process of buying a €1 house in Italy step by step. It's not as daunting as it might seem, but it does require some careful planning and a bit of patience. First things first, you need to identify the town or village offering these properties. Italy is dotted with small, charming towns that have embraced this initiative to revitalize their communities. Each town has its own unique character and charm, so take your time to research and find the one that resonates with you. Many local municipalities have websites dedicated to this initiative. These websites are a treasure trove of information, providing details about the available properties, the town's history, and the specific requirements for purchasing a house. Start by visiting these sites and browsing the available properties. Look at the photos, read the descriptions, and get a feel for what each property has to offer. Some houses might need more work than others, so consider your renovation skills and budget. Next, you'll need to submit an application. This is a crucial step, as it shows the local authorities that you're serious about the purchase and committed to the renovation project. This usually involves filling out a form with your personal details, your plan for renovation, and sometimes a small deposit to show you're serious. The renovation plan is particularly important as it demonstrates your commitment to restoring the property and contributing to the community. Once your application is reviewed and approved, you'll be contacted by the local authorities. This is an exciting moment, as it means you're one step closer to owning your dream home in Italy. They'll provide you with a list of available properties and set up a viewing appointment. This is your chance to see the houses in person, get a feel for the neighborhood, and envision the potential of each property. After choosing your dream home, it's time for the paperwork. This is where things get a bit more formal, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. You'll need to sign a preliminary contract which outlines the renovation timeline and your obligations. This contract is a binding agreement, so make sure you understand all the terms and conditions before signing. Make sure you read this carefully, and maybe even consult with a local lawyer. Having a legal expert on your side can help you navigate any complexities and ensure that everything is in order. Then comes the notary deed, which officially transfers ownership to you. This is a significant milestone, as it means the house is now legally yours. This is where you'll pay the symbolic €1 and any additional fees, such as notary costs and registration fees. Now the fun begins, renovation. This is your chance to transform the house into your dream home. You'll need to submit your renovation plans to the local authorities for approval. This step ensures that your plans align with local regulations and standards. Once approved, you can start the work. This is where your vision starts to come to life. Whether it's restoring the original features or adding modern touches, the possibilities are endless. Remember, you have a specified time frame to complete the renovations, usually around 3 years. This might seem like a long time, but it can fly by, especially if you're doing a lot of the work yourself. A few potential challenges to keep in mind. Renovating an old house can come with unexpected surprises. From structural issues to hidden costs, it's important to be prepared for anything. Language barriers can be tricky, so consider hiring a local translator or lawyer. They can help you communicate with contractors, understand legal documents, and navigate the local bureaucracy. Also, the cost of renovation can vary widely, so budget carefully. It's a good idea to get multiple quotes and have a contingency fund for any unexpected expenses. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to buying a €1 house in Italy. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards, but the end result is worth it. Your step-by-step guide to buying a €1 house in Italy. It may seem daunting, but with the right planning and determination, you can turn this opportunity into your dream home. It may seem daunting, but with the right planning and determination, you can turn this opportunity into your dream home. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off, and knowing that you've contributed to the revival of a beautiful Italian village. Ready to take the plunge? This could be the start of an amazing adventure. Whether you're looking for a vacation home, a retirement spot, or a new life in Italy, the €1 House Initiative offers a unique opportunity. Head over to Mondosol.com for more resources and support. They offer a wealth of information and can guide you through the process, making your dream of owning a €1 house in Italy a reality. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing opportunities. Stay tuned for more guides, tips, and inspiration for living your best life. Until next time, live your dreams. Embrace the adventure, and who knows, you might just find yourself living in a beautiful Italian home enjoying la dolce vita. Now, let's hear from some experts in the field. We'll talk to real estate agents, renovation experts, and people who have successfully bought and renovated their €1 homes. These €1 houses offer a unique opportunity, but it's crucial to understand the local market and regulations. Working with a local agent can help you navigate the process smoothly. Renovating these homes can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to plan carefully. Always budget a bit more than you think you'll need and be prepared for unexpected challenges. When we first heard about the €1 houses, we were skeptical, but after doing our research and following the steps, we now have our dream home in Italy. The community has been incredibly supportive, and the experience has been life-changing. These success stories show that with determination, planning, and a bit of elbow grease, you can transform these neglected properties into beautiful homes. Whether you're looking for a vacation home, a retirement spot, or even a new life adventure, the €1 House Initiative offers endless possibilities. So, are you ready to start your journey? Remember, the key is to do your homework, plan meticulously, and embrace the adventure. Your dream home in Italy could be just a few steps away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing opportunities. Head over to Mondosol.com for more resources and support. Until next time, live your dreams. Welcome back. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at the financial aspects of buying a €1 house in Italy. How much should you budget for renovations? What are the hidden costs? We'll break it all down for you. First, let's talk about the initial purchase. Yes, the house itself costs just €1, but there are additional fees such as notary costs, taxes, and registration fees. These can add up to around €2,000 to €3,000, depending on the location and property specifics. Next, the big-ticket item, renovations. The extent of renovations can vary widely, but on average, you should budget between €20,000 to €50,000. This will cover essential repairs like roofing, plumbing, and electrical work. Keep in mind that older properties may have more extensive needs, so always get a detailed inspection before committing. Hidden costs can sneak up on you, so it's crucial to be prepared. These might include permits and licenses, which can range from a few hundred to several thousand euros. Additionally, you might face unexpected expenses like structural issues or historical preservation requirements, especially if the property is in a heritage area. Don't forget the ongoing costs. Property taxes, utility bills, and maintenance fees can add up. Make sure to factor these into your budget to avoid any surprises down the road. By planning meticulously and setting aside a contingency fund, you can manage these costs effectively and turn your €1 house into a beautiful, livable home. So, there you have it. A comprehensive breakdown of the financial aspects of buying a €1 house in Italy. Remember, thorough research and careful budgeting are key to making your Italian dream home a reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Head over to Mondosol.com for additional resources and support. Until next time, happy house hunting. Welcome back. Time for some success stories. Today we dive into the incredible journeys of individuals who took a chance on the €1 House Initiative and turned their dreams into reality. In this segment, we'll share more inspiring stories of people who have turned their €1 homes into dream residences. These are not just tales of renovation, but of transformation, resilience, and the pursuit of a better life. Get ready to be inspired. First, meet Maria and Luca. This adventurous couple from Spain took a leap of faith and bought a €1 house in Sicily. They were drawn by the allure of the island's rich history and stunning landscapes. Maria and Luca saw beyond the crumbling walls and dilapidated structure. They envisioned a place where they could create something beautiful, a sanctuary that would welcome travelers from all over the world. The property was in ruins, but they saw its potential. They knew it would take a lot of hard work, but they were ready for the challenge. After months of hard work and dedication, they transformed it into a charming bed and breakfast, now a popular spot for tourists from around the world. Their story is a testament to the power of vision and perseverance. Next we have John, an artist from the United States. John's journey is a perfect example of how a €1 house can become a haven for creativity and passion. John purchased a dilapidated house in a small village in Tuscany. He was captivated by the rustic charm and the potential to create a unique space for his art. The house was in a state of disrepair, but John saw it as a blank canvas. He envisioned a place where he could live and work, surrounded by the beauty of the Tuscan countryside. He turned the property into his personal art studio and gallery, attracting art lovers and collectors. His work has brought new life to the village, drawing visitors from near and far. John's journey highlights how a €1 house can become a haven for creativity and passion. His story is a reminder that with a bit of imagination and a lot of hard work, anything is possible. And then, there's Elena, a single mother from Germany. Elena wanted a fresh start for her and her children. She bought a €1 house in Sardinia, and with the help of local craftsmen, renovated it into a cozy family home. The process was not easy, but Elena was determined to create a better life for her family. She worked closely with the craftsmen, learning new skills and contributing to the renovation. The community rallied around her, offering support and encouragement. Today she runs a successful online business from her new home and enjoys the vibrant community life. Her children have made new friends, and they are thriving in their new environment. Elena's story shows that with determination and community support, anything is possible. These success stories prove that buying a €1 house in Italy is more than just a real estate transaction. It's a journey of transformation and new beginnings. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an artist, or a family looking for a fresh start, these homes offer endless possibilities. The €1 house initiative is not just about acquiring property, it's about embracing a new way of life. It's about seeing potential where others see decay, and having the courage to take a leap of faith. So, what are you waiting for? Let these stories inspire you to take the plunge and turn your €1 dream home into a reality. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. And if you need more resources and support, head over to Mondosol.com. Until next time, happy house hunting. Welcome back. Let's wrap things up with some final tips and advice. Whether you're just starting your journey or are already deep into the process, these insights will help you navigate the exciting yet challenging path of buying a €1 house in Italy. What should you keep in mind before taking the plunge into buying a €1 house in Italy? There are several key factors to consider that can make or break your experience. We'll give you the inside scoop. These tips are designed to help you avoid common pitfalls and make the most of this unique opportunity. First, research thoroughly. This cannot be stressed enough. Each region in Italy has its own unique rules and conditions for the €1 house initiative. From the picturesque hills of Tuscany to the sun-soaked coasts of Sicily, the regulations and requirements can vary widely. Make sure you understand the specific requirements and legalities involved in the area you're interested in. This includes zoning laws, renovation deadlines, and any financial obligations you might incur. Second, budget wisely. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying a house for just €1, but the real costs come with the renovations. While the initial cost of the house is just €1, renovation costs can vary significantly. Depending on the condition of the property, you might need to invest in structural repairs, new plumbing, electrical work, and more. It's crucial to have a realistic budget that includes potential hidden costs, such as property taxes, permits, and local fees. Don't forget to factor in the cost of materials and labor, which can add up quickly. Third, visit the property in person. This step is absolutely essential. Pictures can be deceiving and nothing compares to seeing the property with your own eyes. A personal visit allows you to assess the true condition of the house and the surrounding area. This will give you a better understanding of the work needed and the potential the house holds. You can also get a feel for the neighborhood and see if it aligns with your lifestyle and expectations. Fourth, connect with local experts. Their guidance can be invaluable. Having a good team of local craftsmen, architects, and legal advisors can make the renovation process smoother and more efficient. They can help you navigate local regulations, find the best materials, and ensure that the work is done to a high standard. Their local knowledge and expertise are invaluable. They can also provide insights into the local real estate market and help you make informed decisions. Fifth, embrace the local culture. Moving to a new country can be a big adjustment, but it's also an incredible opportunity to immerse yourself in a new way of life. Moving to a new country can be a big adjustment. Take the time to learn about Italian customs, language, and traditions. This will not only help you integrate into the community, but also enrich your overall experience. Take the time to learn about Italian customs, language, and traditions. Engaging with the local community can make your transition smoother and more enjoyable. This will help you integrate into the community and make your new house feel like home. Building relationships with your neighbors can also provide a support system as you navigate your new life in Italy. Finally, be patient and flexible. Renovating a €1 house can be a lengthy process with unexpected challenges. Delays, unforeseen issues, and bureaucratic hurdles are all part of the journey. Keep an open mind and stay committed to your vision. Flexibility and a positive attitude will help you overcome obstacles and stay focused on your goal. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? The adventure of owning and renovating a €1 house in Italy is not for the faint of heart, but the rewards can be immense. With thorough research, careful planning, and a bit of patience, your dream of owning a charming home in Italy can become a reality. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming a neglected property into a beautiful home. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope these tips have provided valuable insights and inspiration for your journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing opportunities. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more incredible real estate deals. And if you need more resources and support, head over to Mondosol.com. Our website offers a wealth of information and tools to help you every step of the way. Until next time, happy house hunting. We wish you the best of luck on your journey to owning a piece of Italian paradise.